Hello and welcome to the Exodus channel, your home for Exodus tutorials and the best crypto videos. Be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons and we will keep the videos coming. In this video, we will learn how to stake Cardano ADA and earn ADA tokens as a reward. The easiest and quickest way to stake Cardano ADA is with Exodus. Your staked ADA tokens remain available for sending and exchanging, and if your wallet receives more ADA tokens, those too are automatically staked and will earn rewards. If you don't already have Exodus on your computer or phone, tap the download link in the top right for a free download or visit exodus.com. We'll quickly go over how to stake Cardano in the phone app, followed by desktop. Here we are on the Exodus mobile app. I'm going to open my Cardano wallet where I have ADA tokens. If you do not have ADA tokens, you can easily send them to your Exodus Cardano wallet with your Cardano address or quickly exchange another crypto for them. Once you have ADA tokens in your wallet, tap the badge icon in the top right corner which opens a Cardano staking screen. Tap Stake Cardano and you're set. The current annual percentage yield or APY is displayed, but it's important to note that the APY rate for Cardano isn't fixed. It can fluctuate based on network conditions. Now, the rewards distribution isn't always consistent with Cardano. You'll have to wait a minimum of 25 days for the first reward, and generally, rewards will arrive every 5 days after that. However, in some cases it can be more. You can claim your ADA rewards from the Cardano staking screen when they're available by tapping Claim Reward. You can claim at any time. Let's move over to the desktop app where the Rewards app makes it super simple to stake Cardano ADA and earn rewards. So here we are in Exodus. First, go to Settings and tap the Apps tab. Find the Rewards app, click Install and Open. There we see the Cardano ADA and the APY rate. Again, the APY rate isn't fixed and fluctuates based on network conditions. Tap the Start Earning button to get started. Stake Cardano, and that's it. Cardano staking is active. You can close the app if you'd like. You'll have to wait a minimum of 25 days for the first reward, and generally, rewards will arrive every 5 days after that. However, in some cases, it can be more. Claim your Cardano staking rewards when they're available directly from your Cardano wallet. Click the badge icon on the top left of the Cardano wallet, which opens the Rewards app, then click Claim. You can claim rewards at any time. Click on our Cardano ADA video to learn what makes Cardano such a popular crypto asset. And be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos from Exodus.